Okay, let's unpack this. We're surrounded by information, right? But how do you actually get informed? Today, we're diving deep into literacy. And we're not just talking about the reading and writing basics. It's way more than that now. It's a crucial modern skill for you, the student, trying to figure out everything from TikTok algorithms to, those really dense academic articles. It's basically how you make sense of your world.
Exactly. And what's really interesting here, what our sources really highlight, is how this bigger idea of literacy applies just everywhere. It's not just for like the bookworms anymore. It's fundamental. It really powers how you engage with everything, whether that's, scrolling your feed or tackling a really tough assignment.
Right, and this idea of like processing things quickly,
Hmm.
it's not just for fun, is it? Think about digital literacy for a second. You're scrolling, choosing what to watch, what to click on. Our sources show that's not passive. You're actively evaluating stuff all the time. That's a key part of modern literacy.
Absolutely. And if you connect that to the bigger picture, that kind of quick critical thinking, it leads right into academic literacy. I mean, you wouldn't just copy paste from some random blog for your thesis, would you know? You're looking for peer-reviewed journals, you're assessing how they did their research, weighing up different sides, which brings up a pretty important question for you, really. With all this AI content popping up and just so much stuff online, how do you check if your sources are actually credible? How do you maintain your academic integrity?
So, okay, what does this all boil down to for you? Literacy, it seems, has these two main jobs, academic and social. And they kind of feed each other. Academically, obviously, it's the engine for your research, making strong arguments, writing that thesis eventually. But socially, it's more than just chatting. It's about really engaging with different views, understanding the nuances, whether you're talking K-pop or, I don't know, complex global issues.
Hmm. And that flexibility is just vital. One source we looked at calls it adaptive communication. It basically means you can adjust how you say things and understand where others are coming from. Makes you a much better communicator, a better contributor. Think about group projects or even just discussions online. It helps you navigate those tricky echo chambers sometimes.
But let's be real for a minute. We all hit walls with this stuff. I mean, who hasn't looked at a super dense textbook and just immediately thought, is there a YouTube summary for this?
Oh, definitely.
And then online. It's just a flood, isn't it? How do you tell real news from maybe a deep fake? Or just an opinion someone's shouting versus an actual fact? It's overwhelming.
That's exactly where digital literacy becomes your shield, your defense mechanism. Our research points to this. It's not just about checking if a source is cited. It's about understanding why something is being presented a certain way. Like, who benefits from you believing this? So that viral message popping up in the group chat, don't just automatically believe it or share it. Pause. Think critically. Do a quick check. It's about shifting from just consuming information passively to being an active critical thinker about it.
Okay, and here's something that should really make you sit up and listen, especially as a student. Did you know? Students with strong critical literacy skills, they're way more likely to graduate on time. It's not just a guess.
Yeah.
Our sources show there's something like 15% more likely to get their degree in 4 years.
Wow.
Yeah, because they grasp complex stuff faster, they can pull arguments together better, write smoother papers, and they actually, participate more effectively in class. It's like, it really is super fuel for getting through college successfully.
And knowledge is only really powerful when you understand it and can use it, right? So to boost your own literacy skills, you don't need to do anything massive. Start small. Maybe try reading and summarizing just one journal article a week, maybe something a bit outside your usual topics. Talk about things with friends, actually discuss them, debate different angles constructively. Or even simpler, before you share that cool post you saw, just take 5 seconds, do a quick search, see if it checks out. These aren't just like homework assignments. They build habits of critical thinking, which are so essential today with all this information flying around.
So, wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway here? Literacy, in this broader sense, isn't just a box you tick for your degree. It's fundamental. It's dynamic. It's a lifelong skill. It's really the foundation for doing well, not just on campus, but, out there in the real complicated world.
Yeah, there's always more to learn, isn't there? And by working on your literacy, you're not just getting smarter in terms of facts, you're building wisdom. The wisdom to tell the difference, to connect ideas, and to actually contribute